Nang matapos iatras ni Jinky Luistro ang kanilang mga hawak na witness, more than 5 na mga pangalan na nakikita niyo sa screen, ay tila napakahaba pa ng pagsasalita ni Jinky Luistro at tila may drama pa. Kaya naman sinupalpal ni Atty. Sheila Sison si Jinky Luistro at hiniling sa impeachment court na huwag nang pahabain ang paliwanag sa withdrawal ng kanilang mga witnesses. At ang pagsupalpal ni Atty. Sheila Sison kay Jinky Luistro, heto, panoorin natin.
I just have a few, before I express some statement with respect to the discourse that we just heard from the lead prosecutor, may I just clarify, because I don't know if I'm mistaken, but she did mention that they are now withdrawing 5 witnesses under Article 4, namely the Philippine National Police Firearms and Explosives Office Representative, Mr. Flores, Mr. Magsambol, the sheriff, and the psychiatrist.
And one more, the relative of the family
Okay.
of a victim. That would make it 6.
Then that's clarified, Your Honor, because I also heard the lead prosecutor say that Attorney Melvin Matibag will be their final witness for Article 4, and I had neglected to consider the family member listed as one of the reserve witnesses. Thank you for the clarification, Your Honor. But on another matter, this is not an objection, just a statement or a manifestation with the kind indulgence of this honorable
Counsel
court
may proceed.
and the senators, judges. Yesterday, at the conclusion of the hearing, we've heard a manifestation from the good lady, Attorney Kapunan, with some suggestion on how to speedily proceed with the rest of the presentation of the prosecution for Article 4. And I think towards the end of her speech, which was quite lengthy, was really just essentially
Mahaba.
informing this court about the fact that they will no longer present Attorney Lopez, whom they had requested subpoena for, as well as Ms. Belinda Bello. But my point is, I'm not objecting to the good counsel's manifestation or even the manner by which she delivered it yesterday or the lead prosecutor's manifestations today. Only that my concern is those manifestations are almost always accompanied with lengthy discourse containing conclusions of law and facts that in reality only this impeachment court can really determine.
Yes.
Now, why is this a concern for the defense? Because this affects the fairness and balance of this impeachment court and the way it would perceive whatever manifestations or expressions of sentiments or discourses that counsel for both parties will deliver before this court and before the public. Naririnig po tayo ng taong bayan.
Yes.
At man ang sabihin ng ating mga kagalang-galang na mga miyembro, no, officers of or members of the bar, who also are officers of the court, and we all know that we are before the impeachment court, and therefore we should try evidence and not advocate for the conclusions or the positions that we may have already made even before we went to this trial. And so I'm just expressing a concern on behalf of the defense and just for the guidance of both parties. If the only message that either, and this goes for both parties, if the only intent really is just to withdraw witnesses, then perhaps it would better serve the purpose of aiding the speedy disposition of this case if that fact alone will, be the only thing that will be mentioned without factual assertions or conclusions of facts or even interpretations of the law. I think that would be more fair for everyone and for the guidance of the public and this court. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you for your indulgence.
May I comment, Your Honor?
No need, counsel. Let the
Pahiya ka, Luistro. No need. Eksena ka na naman. Kakasabi lang natin soon. Huwag nang pahabain pa yung mga sasabihin kung withdrawal of witnesses lang naman ang iyong sasabihin. haluan pa ng kung ano-anong drama. Kaya nga hindi ka na pinagsalita ni Senator Chis Escudero. Sabi mo pa, may I comment? Sabi ni Senator Chis, no need. Mahiya ka ngayon, Luis Trono. Tama nga naman si Atty. Sheila Sison, kung withdrawal ng witnesses, wag nang haluan pa ng mga madramang storya. Kasi magtatagal, sayang ang oras. Kumbaga, wag nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Kasi hindi mo nga naman nagagamitin bilang witnesses yung inyong mga wini-withdraw na witness. So bakit pa kailangan ng madrama? Hindi na sila kailangan pa. Hindi na sila relevant sa impeachment na ito. Tama rin naman si Atty. Sheila Sison. Paligoy-ligoy ka kasi. Kaya yan tuloy, sa haba ng ngayong pagsasalita, naglalaway ka. Kaya siguro sabi rin ni Atty. Sheila Sison, ay, para siguro matigil ang paglalaway nito, bawas-bawasan na ang kadramahan sa kanyang statement, sa kanyang speech. Diba, napakaingay, napakadrama ng prosecution team. Tapos yung mga sinasabi nila, wala namang substance, napakaihina naman ng kanilang mga ebidensya, tulad ng mga photocopy at tila tampered na mga documents. Yun lang ang inyong maipipresenta tapos napakadrama pa ninyo sa inyong mga speech na wala namang kwenta. Wala namang napatunayan sa inyong pag-aakusa kay Vice President Sara. Baka sabihin na naman ni Jinky Luistro, panalo na naman ang prosecution team ngayong day 5 ng impeachment trial. Gayong kitang-kita naman na sa palpal ni Atty. Sheila Sison sa Jinky Luistro at lalong nasa palpal pa siya nang hindi na siya pinagkomento ni Senator Chis Escudero. Kahit sa palagay ninyo, sino ang nanalo ngayong araw sa day 5 impeachment trial? Ang prosecution team ba o ang defense team ni Vice President Sara? Ano ang inyong opinion? I-share mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at lagyan sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video. Simula number 52 hanggang 57 na mga pangalan na naka-highlight ay hindi na daw paharapin ng prosecution team sa darating na impeachment trial sa susunod na linggo. Gayong sa umpisa pa lamang, ang kanilang mga witness na ito ay ipinagyayabang ng mga prosecution team. May nalalaman pa silang mga press con. Pero kalaunan, inatras naman nila ang kanilang mga witness. At totoo palang nanlalamo ng buhay si Atty. Sheila Sison. Gaya ng nangyari kanina, hindi na siya nakapagsalita at hindi na siya hinayaan pang magsalita ni Senator Chis Escudero, si Jinky Luistro. Ano ang inyong komento? I-comment mo na yan.